Hi, this is Chris Dwyer. I'm a UX UI designer, and I can develop with JavaScript in the front end and the UI websites, fluent CSS, HTML, and whatnot. Today, I'm going to talk to you about Aria. Accessible, rich internet applications is basically a set of attributes that define ways to make web content and web application more accessible to people with disabilities, people that use screen readers, and things like that. They can't actually see your document. The screen reader basically will take them to certain sections of the website, and it'll make your actually stuff more Google friendly too, or SEO friendly. But I'm just going to go through some of the tags on a web page, and your main tags, your navigation tags, your header tags and whatnot, and what stuff you should put, attributes that you should put on your tags on a web page to make them accessible to people again with disabilities and whatnot. So I've got I'm inside Sublime Text, and I've got a document. This document right here that we're just going to adjust, navigate nav bar, and just some attributes on some elements, p tags and whatnot. So I got my header up here. This would be your, kind of your logo area at the very, very top of your screen up here. And always should be your first tag inside of a document. But anyway, that gets back to HTML. And you want to put role tags, and I will put an area up here, this website right here, this web address. And it'll explain to you the actual attributes that you should place on various elements. On your header tag, you should put a role of banner. And again, this will, and then on your navigation tag, believe it's a role of navigation. Screen readers will be able to go through this, and again, I should make sure navigation. Yep. And then on your main tag, you'll have a role of main. Articles have a role of article. Buttons, I believe button has a role of button. Let me just double check that real quick in my notes. Yeah, and we'll put this on we'll take this right real quick. Section, yeah, role of article. Section has a role of region. So if I do have a section tag in here, we'll just put a side has a role of complementary, I believe. Role complementary. I think I actually copied and pasted it. Complementary content info is your tag on the footer. Complementary, I did not spell that right. On the side. So this is just making, again, this is making all your applications just friendly to screen readers and whatnot. Put all these role tags on here. I just save them into my documents and what my shortcut sheet. And then in the next tutorial, I will go over forms with Aria and what to put on those forms, like your radio buttons and the overall form that surrounds all your inputs and whatnot. So again, that's something really, really good that will make your website more SEO friendly and definitely accessible to people with, I guess it's the American Disabilities Act. And it's just going to make your applications and whatnot accessible to people with disabilities.